So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. Once again, I'm recording locally and streaming on YouTube live service. Today, I'm going full blast, or so I want to believe that I will do that, but more info on full blast soon. Before we begin, let's check out the stream if it's live properly and all that, and then we'll keep on going. So here we are, Vivaldi. Again, the same mistake. It was open already. Sorry, my bad. Here we are. Okay, the stream is live. Nice. So let's begin by checking out the system information. I will just use the search, system information, boom. And let's just keep it like this in the corner. So, Alienware M17 R5 AMD, Linux Mint 22.3, Cinnamon X11. The CPU is the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX. And the graphics are AMD Radeon RX 6800M. The system has 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SSD storage. And what I want to say is, no, let's just wait for the terminal information and then I will tell you what's up. So here we are in the terminal. Let's zoom in a bit. I think that's fine. So basically more or less the same information. You can pause the stream or the video later in the YouTube channel when it will be ready. But what I wanted to tell you is that today I'm streaming and recording full 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, 100 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming at 30 FPS today. So most probably it's one of the best qualities that I have ever offered, and this is possible thanks to the machine, to the operating system, and of course the YouTube live service, which allows me to give you plenty of quality. So let's go to the OBS settings. And we will return here, settings. I don't know if it's possible for you to watch them properly. It's like, let's go to output. So yeah, I'm using for streaming and recording basically the same quality, the same stuff. The audio is FMPEG AAC, of course, and the video encoder is FMPEG VAPI H264. And as I said, thanks to YouTube Live, I can stream in high quality. So I'm using 30,000 kilobps in bitrate. And the only other thing regarding this is the recording. I'm using the Matroska video file format, MKV. And on the video, as you can see here, full 4K resolution, 30 FPS. So there is that. And let's go back again in the main screen. And today I wanted to not waste any time. I have shown you quite a few times the customizations that I have done in the system with the top panel, the application launcher, my dock here, the wall jumping abilities, the mouse cursor factory, and all that jazz. And I had just a tiny bit of progress regarding the theming on Kdenlive, but let me show you one app at a time. Let's load the apps and see one app at a time. Prepare for plenty of apps on the screen. I'll try not to move them around. I'll just let them load wherever they are loading. I just want to load up the system as much as possible with as many apps as possible. and most of them are like good stuff. This one, let's go with this. Perfect. Not perfect, but better. Let's just say better. Anyway, tenacity. Soon I will load the game, but first let's go with more apps, some more apps. Let us go with Flat Seal, for example. And let us go with Parabolic. And let's put some Yoplin in the mix. And let's just put some LibreOffice Writer, why not? Okay. What else? What else? Krita, yes, Krita, of course. So yeah, while all these apps are open, loaded, and while I'm streaming and recording, and while I'm changing the wallpapers and all that, okay, for workspaces, plenty of apps open. Let's just open up the XIV Lancer and move it on the second screen, second workspaces, sorry. I will put up my authenticator code. So it's like this. Hopefully no patches, no nothing. It will just lower the game and be done with it. It seems so, yes, nice. I haven't played the game for a while now, but I'm just trying to give the system a run for its money. And if everything will go as planned, the game will be playing just fine, everything will be just fine. But if the stream will crash or the recording will crash or something, I will stop it and continue after that point, of course. And then I will fix the video for my YouTube channel as well. Anyway, when my character will load, it's going to be in a hub city. It's called Limsa, for those who don't know about the game. Usually this hub city has plenty of people. I don't know if you can hear on the stream or later on the YouTube video. The fans are already started to pick up the slack. So noise is coming, extra noise is coming from the system, from the fans. And the game I'm running it, of course, in 4K resolution. Not in some insane settings or whatever, it's custom settings. Because I care more about the stability of the system, and I don't want to get it warm and so on. Be it winter or summer, I just want the system to be as quiet as possible and as cold as possible. So here we are. So yeah, this city basically is the hub, as I said before. No, sorry, it's system configuration. Yes, 30 FPS. Let's move around. I just wanted to see if I had the 30 FPS and I remember this correctly. So yeah, as you can see, no problem. So now we'll run outside the town, outside the hub, and do a little combat or something, just to see how the system will perform. And now I'm listening to the fans like quite a lot. I don't know if it's audible on the stream and the video. I hope it isn't much, but it is what it is, I guess. Anyway, just going to smash few things here. It's not something that I have to do, I just do it for the system. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. Yeah, everything is fluid, smooth, and so on. So let's run back to the hub. This system is a few years old, so I guess for everything that I'm doing right now, it's kinda insane. So yeah. I'm pretty sure that I could try the system tomorrow again and have it go at 60 FPS, and perhaps I will do it because it seems to be quite stable. Right now I'm going back to workspace 1, do some silly things. This is a test. Let's change the font, let's change up the size, boom, just like that. Let's go to, I don't know, GIMP. Let's open up a file. Let's do this one for example, no problem. And then let's do, I don't know, Joplin, and let's do, how do you call it, the other app? Inkscape. Inkscape. Oops, quite the type. Inkscape. Here we are. So yeah, new document. Boom. No problem whatsoever. Let's bring it in the middle of the screen. Just fine. No issues, no problem whatsoever. Expose. That's how I like to call it. Boom. Expose. Boom. Expose. Boom. Not even breaking a sweat. Again, the same mistake. I don't know why I'm doing this. Silly me. Again, here. Okay, let's go back to the game. Boom, instant. Insane. Yeah, I think I will do that. I will try that tomorrow at 60 FPS. Both the recording, the streaming, and the game. And hopefully everything will go well. But yeah, fantastic. I guess in this regard, the system, Linux Mint, Cinnamon, that's fine, no problem. If you want to play a game now and then and do some work, as you can see, no problem whatsoever. And all this time, my wallpapers were kept changing. So, in my opinion, I approve of this message. Yeah, good one, good stuff. As I said, the system, it may not be for me, but I can understand people that would like to use the system, and I'm pretty sure that many people will love the system. And I will do one more test tomorrow. This thing, I will repeat this thing at 60 FPS, and we'll see how that will go. Seemingly the system works, the recording and everything works. So yeah, there is that. Good stuff. Anyway, don't want to drag this any longer. As always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye!